In this video, we will show you how to replace your front license plate mounting bracket on this Honda Civic. This will be mounted to your front bumper cover. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To be able to remove the license plate bracket, we're going to have to remove several Phillips head mounting screws. We can see one out in the open, there's one in this port here, one right here, and there's two located along the back side of each lower corner. To remove the lower corner bolts, you'll find that you have one straight up and down, the other one's diagonal and rearward here. Push that one out. Do the same on the other side. Now we can get that last one. Go ahead and remove that bracket. There it is, friend. Let's just have a quick look at our original license plate bracket. You're going to find that you have two metal tabs that we have to remove. For these, you can typically just pull them right out of place. Just a quick inspection of those. We'll transfer those over to the brand new license plate bracket. Just going to use a little bit of glass cleaner here. We'll clean this up. All right, let's get ready for installation of our brand new license plate bracket. Along the back side, we need to install those two metal clips. Make sure you have them in the proper orientation. So when you do close this, we're not going to have that little angled tab facing inward. We need to have it facing out. So for this, I've got it facing up. I'm going to slide it right onto this area, align the mounting bolt port. Now at this point, once we did close this, the mounting bolt should be able to come through here and close it tightly. Let's go ahead and do the same on the other side. Slide it straight on through. Okay, we got the flat side in between. Perfect. All right, friend, it's time to install our brand new license plate mounting bracket. The first thing we want to do is have a look along the back side. We want to make sure we're lifting up on each one of these two small flaps. We're going to start bringing this inside of the lower grill area. There we are. Now we'll pause down at the bottom and we'll continue on with our three mounting screws. There's one up along the very top in the center, and then there's one inside of each rectangle down along the bottom. Just want to get this lined up. Let's get the next two down here. For this, you want to make sure you're pushing that bracket up against the bumper cover. Before we tighten those, we have two more to start into the bumper cover itself, one on each corner here. They're all started in, let's snug them up. The next thing we want to do is pay attention along the bottom of the license plate mounting bracket. We have those small foldable tabs that have the metal clips on them. We want to fold them up. That's going to press up against the back side of the bumper cover. We'll continue on with our mounting screw. There's one, same thing for the other.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.